Guys, Gemini 2022 reading. I'm waiting for the dentist. What's coming for Gemini 2022? You got a rainbow right off the bat. When I'm doing the reading, you guys, whatever happens when I'm doing a reading is what is part of the reading. So, for 2022, I don't mean 2020. I mean 2022 for Gemini. And so far, the energy has been very fluid for everybody. So what I'm hearing is nothing is set in stone for 2022. And look where you're at, Gemini. You got that? You know? So you got the big energy of the seed for Gemini. And I think somebody else got this. So right from the day you see this, you guys, if you're a Gemini, there's a message here for you. There's a lot of wisdom available to you if you see this video. But you really need to go in search of it. Like it's in your deep subconscious. So for 2022, like I was saying, the energy is really fluid. Like nothing is set in stone. Because I feel like it all depends on people's attitudes towards things. You shouldn't get down. Oh my goodness, you guys. That's the exact bird I've been posting all day. Not the exact one, but that's the bird medicine I've been talking about. And that bird, I just posted its feathers on my case here, on my adopted daughter's picture, you guys. But the lady that gave me the picture has a son that was murdered here in Halifax. Here, pray for my little girl, you guys. And I take it as a sign, this spirit. I don't know what, you know what I mean when I say animal medicine. In the country that I'm in, it's very, like the indigenous people, it's very native. And you say, when you see an animal, they're bringing you their wisdom. So you have to look at the animal. And what's their message? Well, these guys are very communicative. And I just noticed the green one. Their community. Adventures, it says for you, Gemini. So a lot of Gemini travel, but the parrot medicine and the flowers, you know, they stick out for me. You could be going on a trip, Gemini. There. That's not your card, but I'm going to pull another card. I'm just going to hold this here while I get one. I know I have them ready. Gemini. What's coming for you, Gemini? You're getting a lot of mermaid energy. A lot about that fluidity. Like, nothing is set in stone. There's a person next to me, and on their case, they have an angel. They're just holding it up. So you got something really lucky, Gemini. Like, even the location you're in, accept heaven's help. Just as I saw the angel, I was just telling you, the people next to me just held up their camera to take a picture, and the sun just disappeared. Accept heaven's help, it's not even coming in clear. I don't know why. You've prayed for help, so get out of the way. Let heaven help you. And you got the power animal, seagull again. You got this whole community of birds. Keep coming up as your theme. Like you have to get out with people. That's been coming up as a theme. Community. What can you do in your community? Because everything is about people's individual communities. And I felt like a time is coming that in America there might be a blackout or you're going to be separated, so you need to have money in your community. I'm really struggling with my voice and my breathing. Suddenly. And why this is not clear, I don't know, Gemini. But we're right at the sea. This is so weird for me. The message you're getting, I'm probably going to have to do a second video because there's so much happening. My voice is getting really super duper duper shaky. Okay, so let me pull another card, Gemini, of what's coming 2022, the fluidity. Water, lots about water. Tropical, you need to go on a trip. You need to go on a trip, Gemini. You need to go somewhere. There's something to do with sun, joy in your life. Wow, you're getting all kinds of bright colors and flowers, and this is like emotional energy, intense. It's love in all its forms. Gemini, you got something lucky coming. You got some gifts. Somebody, there might be a baby being born. This is often said to be a card of the past, but I'm getting a frequency of love. Your reading is a mystery to me right now. I'm going to really have to take these cards and reflect on them, because that bird, I need to know what those birds are and like make a better explanation of all the color that's popping for you, Gemini. And 6 is a Gemini number. It's like both sides of the coin. Reciprocal energy. But there's a party going on here. They're in their finery. And they're outside. There's your flock of birds again, Gemini. Flocks of birds flock together. Birds of the same feather flock together. So Gemini, I'm not really saying much. I'm saying a lot, but I'm not really making any predictions or anything. I'm just kind of showing you, like, it's blowing my mind, these flocks of birds, and these colorings. So it's a powerful message for some Gemini. Her white flower, her white tulip, that's odd. Is that a white tulip in her hand? Something to do with a little girl. Peace out, Gemini. I'll try to make a second one if I'm sure something's going to come to me about all this. You're going somewhere.